Lory Student Center. This elevator looks a lot older than the others. That's a CTA indicator. Oh. Wild. That's a freaking US chime, it sounds like. What the heck is this? Whoa. You can kind of see it, it's just really dim. Huh. That's a US chime. So it's interesting what they did here is they just took the old Adams buttons that were like this. Here we go. And they just swapped them out for the new custom CSU buttons. That's funny. Oh, look at that. It starts moving before the door's shut. No, 2 actually is burnt out. At least we'll watch one come on. I wonder what this used to be. Probably like an old Dover. Yeah, but this was an old Dover. You see anything up there? No. Let's at least get that chime once more. That's funny. Anyway, that will be it. We watch it close.